Sonic 3, premiering at the movies!
Whoa!
A new Sonic movie! We gotta go watch it!
Too easy! Piece of cake! Woo!
Sorry, I'm in a rush! A moment! Almost there! Phew! Hey!
Nope.
Gotcha! I'm here to watch my movie! No! There's a guest list of people invited to the premiere! Let's see if your name is on it! Knuckles? Amy Rose? Eggman? Who is this guy? Sonic! Sonic! Right! Hold on! How do I know it's actually you? Seriously? No biggie! Check this out! Sorry, I'm married! Wrong ring! Take a closer look! Here's another one! Bye-bye! Sorry about the misunderstanding! That's enough! Sonic, come on in! Okay, we're all good! My job is pretty dangerous!
Whoa!
Ray, come on! We need to get ready! Sonic the Hedgehog comes out of the portal! What are they up to? Here he is, in blood and flesh! Oh yeah! I'm ready! Roll! What? Why would you go past? Excuse me, I haven't mastered the turns yet. Hey, stop! You don't know how to hit the brake? I don't! Alrighty, I'll teach you. No! Ow! Ouch! You poor thing! Ray, are you okay? Wake up! Sonics are on every corner these days. Watch! It's Amy Rose! Hey you! I'm Amy Rose. May I come in? Wait a minute. Are you on the guest list? Amy Rose, is it actually you? Prove it! Are you questioning me? I don't believe you! You will in a second! Do you like my hammer? The hammer is only good for hammering nails! What do you think now? I'm off to watch the movie! Hey, Shadow! No! Where did he go? Ordinary people! Ray, did you see how he moves? So, what are you waiting for? I'm Shadow! Someone's really cocky! Let me see the guest list first! Shadow! In here! It's not you, though! What? Not me? I'm Shadow, you know? How do you like that? I'm not convinced! How dare you! Okay, you'll see a performance! Well, what do you think now? Okay, I can believe that! What was that? Who are you? You don't recognize me? I'm Shadow! Shadow? I'm a guard! Wait till you see this! Over there! What's there? Where did he go? I'm right here! Look how quick I teleported! See? What? Where is he? Oh, you're back! And now you're here! Where are you now? Here! And here! My head! Stop!
Stop!
I get it! I figured out your trick! You're not Shadow. I knew it. Who's hiding under the mask?
What the hell? Bruh.
Turn around. Gotcha, you frauds. Want to teleport real fast? I'm good. Please don't. I can't see anything. Bye, losers. Hey, you. Do you see that? Eggman! I've seen this before. Oh, right. On my guest list. There he is. Congratulations. You are on the list. But first, you gotta prove you're legit. Okay, fine. Push the button. What? Me? I'm good. Oh, yeah. Push it now. Push the button. Thing is, I don't want to. Oh, yeah. Come on. Go right ahead. Come on. Go. I could tell it was you right off the bat. Come in. Great. Enjoy the movie. The client is a handful. I got a hold of popcorn. Thanks.
Nope.
Oh, what is this? What's with the hurricane? What's going on? Oh, this is the place. Hey, I'm Tails.
Sir, yes, sir!
Where's my head at? Are you on the list? Here. Do you have two tails over there? Yes, both of them are by my side. Two tails? What does it make you? Check out both of my tails. I can also fly on them. Your tails can spin music. Yeah? You had a good laugh? Now watch this. Okay, I get it. Enough. Pew, pew, pew. Loser. You cocky little beast.
Huh?
Hey, I'm Tails. Look. Hey, Susie. I'm ready. Go. Turn it on. Uh-huh. Got it. It's on.
Helicopter, helicopter!
Great. Here's my tail. Uh-oh. I'm actually flying. Well done, Ray. Come on. What? Flight's over. Ray? Come on, man! I'll get you out of here! Goodness gracious! It's Knuckles! I'm Knuckles! I see! Wait a minute! Yeah, Knuckles! There you go! And over here! You are a boxer, right? I want to see your fists. Oh, easy, champ. He's getting under my skin at this point. No. Chill. Who's that? Hey, privacy invasion! Get out of here! Excuse me, what's with all the formalities? Come in, enjoy the movie! Give a warm welcome! Outstanding boxer! The champion of champions! Knuckles! Yeah, the rock star of the ring! The #1 in boxing! My neck is cramping! Is that better? Go ahead! Easy! I don't approve of face punching! Oops! Once again! eyes on the ball. One powerful strike. Me? No, it's a waste of your strength. Ray, I am so sorry. The new world champion is Maximus. Phew! Easy there! Sonic! You saved my life! See ya! Bye! Whoa! What's this? Hedgehog College! Oh! What's going on here? You! No! That's the wrong solution! Hey! May I have a second of your attention? Stop it! Stop tossing papers! You are my new roommate? Here's the deal. A line. Got it? Okay. This is your half. This is mine. You are so welcoming. May I? Okay, fine. My bed is a total mess. I should empty a corner. Huh. New college. Oh, someone's calling. Hello? You won't believe it. I'm in a new college. Could you keep it down? I do remember. The party was fire. What a yapper. What? No! Shut up! My work! Can't blame you, bestie. This is my term paper. Stupid roommate. I'll write down the number. Go ahead. Okay. Stop screwing up my work. What? Really? Gotta check. Whoa! That's the right answer! It all adds up! I finally solved the formula! Thanks! The least I could do! Yeah, well, nice meeting you! Germs! We're BFFs! Huh? No! Too little privacy! My goodness! You have a huh? No! You are seeing things! You have a tail! That's so sick! We have so much ahead! Let go! You are choking me! Let's clean up! Okay! I'll take my books! Phew! It's trash! No more borders! Oh, my crush! I'm smitten! Sonic has many talents! Oh, poor thing! It's Sonic Mania! I give you my heart! My sweet hedgehog! Lost cause! Oh! We'll be together! I'm sure of that! Okay, I have a college uniform to pick. This one? Okay, let's roll. No! That's worse! Oh, not bad! Next, a skirt! No! Hard pass! Oh, perfect match! And shoes! What about a hat? Yeah, my ears! It's missing a piece! The glasses! Gosh, you have a double tail! May I touch it? It's adorbs! Look at the ears! Hey, no touching! Please don't! Ginormous ears! You are a mutant! Look at yourself, beast! Run, loser, run! Hush! Don't cry, bestie! I have a great idea! Where are you going? Look, I have ears now! I'm a copycat! Appreciate your support! You are my ride or die! Gotta change into the school uniform! Fair enough! You sure about your glasses? Alright! What? Sonic, I'll put on my best uniform for you! I need delivery to Hedgehog College ASAP! Oh, thanks! Let's check it out! Oh, Lord! A blue furry disaster! I literally look like a huggy-wuggy scarecrow! It ain't gonna cut it! Gotta give it a do-over! Okay, we'll sew it up here. Practically done! That's not it, though! What are you up to? Stay out of my way! There! There are blue tights! There were socks around here. Oh, neat! I'll smooth out the wrinkles. Oh, Lord! The shoes are no good. Much better. So, what do you think? Right, gloves. I need those too. Great. Now we're good to roll. Just a second. I believe these glasses would look much better on you. Try on. Thanks. What's up?
What?
Who cares? How to be a superhero? I can't tell. It's not that big of a deal. Okay, look at the screen. I forgot. A second. Look at the screen.
What?
This is Susie. And this is the mugger eager to steal Susie's bag. Give me the bag. Ow! Here's the big question. Ow! Give me a sec. Question is, who's right in this case? Susie or the mugger? Comment down below. Me! May I answer? God save me! I don't know! Piper, go ahead! What do you think? Who's in the right? My bet is Susie! Did I guess it? No! Let's straighten things out! I won! The bag is mine! Worst day ever! Did you get anything? Sorry, sweetie. I'm tapped out. What are we supposed to eat? The whole family will be starving. Your wrong answer brings the whole family to starvation. Excuse me? I'm giving you a big fat F. Oh, it's a nightmare. Next task. You are to solve this simple equation. Child's play. What the? Jump right into it. What do I write? Saved by the Bell. Best makeup contest is tomorrow. Oh, God. That's the easiest contest. Get all geared up for tomorrow. Makeup is no sweat. Math is a snooze fest. What do you think, Tails? I'm really dense when it comes to makeup. It's impossible. I'll never be able to do blush. Did I solve it? No! Why not? Whoa! Piper, you are a natural! You killed it! Finally! Next, rhinestones! There! We're out of rhinestones! Did it work out? The silver lining is they sparkle! I need the best Sonic-inspired glam! More blue eyeshadow! And a black hedgehog nose! The lips must be blue, too! And obviously, green eyes! Mine will be blue! We will take over the college, Tails! I'm on the same page! I'm really looking forward to it! Take it easy, girl! You'll win! You might win too? Nah, it's gonna be you! Gotta touch up my glam! Time to judge the contest! Phew! I'm so hyped up! Who will be the winner? The trophy is my biggest dream! The prize will be mine! So, the winner of the best makeup contest is… me! You were hoping to win? Losers! I will always win. What? Mr. Anderson? Got the most points? I win every year. This time is no exception. The tiara is mine. So is the cup. What? Is that for real? Yeah. Some noise in my honor. The party popper broke. Come on. Why isn't it working? An exam it is. What?
Hey!
Hey!
Mmm.
Whoa! I showed up! Hey, Piper! Wake up! Sonic, take a seat! Are you comfy? Take it, Anderson! That's your test! Run a distance faster than Sonic! Faster than 1,000th of a second? That's not doable! I'm timing it! Empty the way! What? Oh! How did he pull that? It worked! Head to the starting line, Anderson! Which one of you goes first? Tails! Come on! Turn on the teleportation! Oh! Neat! Here I am! Excellent speed, Tails! Oh, thanks! What? Go ahead, Pipes! I'm all set! Ready, steady, go! Not bad! My gosh! Oops! Oh, finish line! Are you alright? What's that pendant? Is it yours? What's inside? My pig! Are you in love with me? You are a dummy! Why are you so mean? Eager to be Sonic's girlfriend! Sonic, don't! What were you hoping for anyway? Hey! Tails, back me up! The girl is actually delusional! No! What loser? Amy Rose is officially my girlfriend! The nerve of it all! I hate you, Sonic! You'll pay for this! You just lost a fan! I'm set up to whip your butt, Sonic! Oh, sweet revenge! That's fascinating! Hey, how do you open this thing? Why didn't you make a handle? Hands don't fit? Poor thing! You're in a lot of trouble! He needs help! Forget it! I'll figure it out! Excuse me, I think you need to chill! My gloves won't let me open the stupid locker! Poor thing! I can help! What? How cute is that? There! Problem solved! You're the cutest couple! You guys, comment down below who is the best match for Amy Rose, Knuckles, or Sonic? Sonic, duh! Everybody knows that! You are coming with me! We're not introduced! I'm Sonic! Knuckles! My fingers! Nice to meet you! I should go! Sonic, what's up? Wait a moment! Oh, Hedgehog! Keep it cool, Sonic! Sonic, don't be so mean! You should be nicer! Oh, might want to hide this! There! How could Knuckles hurt you? Calm down, Amy! Don't freak out! You know, I have something for you! Who's that? I'll get it! I'm here to apologize! Bye! Sonic! Why would you do that? That's not okay! Hey! Sonic! How could you? Sorry, Knuckles! Well! It's Mischief o'clock! Spicy sauce! It's a perfect match with a banana! Now, a banana bomb! All this goes in the trash! There! Brilliant! Why is he here? I asked him over so we can have a fresh start. This is for you, Amy. Gosh! Huh? Now what? A crime! The city needs me! Have a seat! You two! Knuckles, behave! What's up with him? Never mind. Could you teach me some boxing? I'm keeping an eye on you. Who cares? Where do we begin? Keep your punch straight. There! Yeah! It's perfect! Yay! What's this noise? The trash can is ticking. A moment. Got it! What is it? A banana bomb! Hey, the banana is mine! Don't you dare throw my lunch away! It's a bomb, you know! We're gonna go up in the air any second now! I don't share food! The banana is mine! What? Where is she? My banana! What have you done? There was a bomb! Wow! What was that? I overcooked it! Good luck, man! Amy, what's going on? Hey, Sonic! We're enjoying some spa treatments! A cup of tea? Sonic! Enough! Sit! I can see right through you! A cup for Knuckles! Thanks! Let me help! I'm good! Okay, here's your straw! Oops, dropped it! Ah! Thank you! Least I could do! Oh! Look what I got! Big whoop! That's it! Buddy, you should leave at this point! Did you see that? Goodbye! Amy, where were we? What? Sonic! You're back at it! Hush! Easy, Amy! The flowers are for you! And Candy, will you forgive me? I do love you! My Sonic! And lose his gift! Whatever you say, sweetheart! Come! Perfect! Would you take a seat here? Nice bench! You're so kind! Hey guys, say cheese! You're adorable! Stop by our photo booth! Oh, Sonic! Come now! That's a couple booth! Feel free to come in! Perfect! Smile! So, shall we go? Where's the weird photographer girl? The pictures are ready! Wait, what? Uh-oh! No idea how that came to be! Why is Knuckles there? Can't wrap my mind around it! Hold it! Someone's coming! Oh, a photo booth! Who do I pay? Whatever! Huh? Here are the pics! What? Why are there two of me? The pics are ruined! Stupid photo booth! Oh, he's so angry! Amy Rose's locker! Lovely! Here's Knuckles' locker! Ew! Disgusting! They're coming! Oh, hey Amy! Long time no see! I got ripped, you know! Go ahead, Agent Mouse! Stop yelling! There's a mouse! Ouch! My head! What? What? Sonic? Nothing! I need my locker! Same! What? Oh no! No! My goodness! Sonic! I'm done here! Hand! Oh, my bad! What is that? I have no idea where this came from. That's not mine. You hedgehog. Take it easy. We should get going. Amy plus Knuckles is love. Cute. Uh-oh. Sonic, stop it. Use a sedative. We should study. Have a seat, Amy. You are my love! Enough with the PDA! Let's get the class started! Welcome a new student! Knuckles! He's back! Move! Great! Knuckles! What's your angle? Hey! Hey! Huh? Eager to study? I'm calling… Knuckles to the front of the class! Can't catch a break! Here's chalk! Solve this problem! Can't pick it up! It's tiny! Here's a bigger one! Thank you, Professor! What does that say? Come on! It was your homework! Anybody knows? Me? No way! Amy? I know, but I can't! Forget it! Eggy! I'll help you! Watch closely and write it down! Uh-huh! What? Yeah, looks right to me! What's next? I've solved it! Here's the right answer! What is that? I love Amy? What? Eggy! Nice prank! That's a good one! Oops! That's it! It's over! These stunts are performed by professionals! If you don't have a strong stomach, stay away from the screen! Want some more? Okay! Come on! What do you say now?
Oh yeah!
Guys, please, stop it! I want my sneaker back! Yeah, more! Another round! You are in trouble! Fine, here it comes! Thanks! Oh, hey! Check this out! Isn't it wonderful? Ouch! More! Yeah! What's more? It's so much fun! Off target! Oops! Ouch! That's it! Where is my hammer? You're done, Shorty! My drone! Ouch! Come on! What's there? Stop! Check out the girls! That's rough! You crashed my drone! You hurt my boyfriend! Oof! Should we separate them? Come on! Ouch! The other way around! Amy! Knock it off! I hate you, egghead! Sweetie, calm down! What? Oh yeah! They're the cutest couple! We're out of here! Kiss me, Knuckles! So romantic! I don't care about the lovebirds! Oh, Sonic! You're all dirty! We gotta go too, babe! You are my dream hedgehog! Kids! Why are you crying? Chill! What happened? Tell me who hurt you! That meanie with a mustache stole all our toys! It's Eggman! We'll get your toys back! Come on, Sonic! I love you, Sonic! I'm sick of you, Hedgehog! My new best friend is Dr. Eggman! Well, what does Crime Time have to say about me? Eggman! I want the kids' toys back! Oh, you already don't feel good! Here are the toys! Let's get them back to the kids! Your toys! Sonic, what about about me? You forgot about Amy Rose. You guys, our favorite toys are Sonic and Amy Rose. What are yours? Comment your favorite ones down below. Top 10 villains of the year. What? Where am I? I'm not on the list. That's it. I'm not taking another vacation. I'm going to win first place instead of Rogue. All I gotta do is take my evil deeds up a notch. More pictures for my butterfly collection. Time for a selfie. It will be a one-of-a-kind. A series of pics for a new portfolio. The camera died. The batteries are acting up again. Oh, Spidey is a sitting duck. Oh, fast food flew over. I just got hungry. Eat up, Spidey. I'll take the camera. My favorite graveyard. I'm definitely gonna luck out here. All I have to do is wait for the vampire to show up. Come on, buddy. Oh, easy prey. My fangs. Faux leather. Cutting-edge technology. Your lovely fangs are mine. I love being evil. Hey, subscribers! Hit the like button so my new fangs grow back! My pizza! Oh, it's cold! Incineroar! I choose you! Could you heat up my pizza, please? Thanks! Ahem! Pizzas and Pokeballs are not allowed at college. Bye-bye, my margarita. I have to take the Pokeball, too. Fine. Not my lucky day, I guess. Stupid girl. She gave up her precious Pokemon. I'm a mastermind. Well done, accomplice! Ew, James! Is this a loofah under your nose, or what? I decided to grow out a mustache. What about that belly? Are you feeling okay? I tricked Jessie easily. I'm a villain who tricked a villain. The Pokemon's mine now. So is the pizza. Wow! I won! Sonic, easy! What if we give you a new manicure on your gloves? Oh! Urgent message! Sonic! Someone broke into the museum! Sonic! Listen up! Someone is robbing the museum! Sonic! A burglary! What is it? A museum robbery? So go check it out! I have to do everything by myself! Oh yeah! I won again! A foolproof way to find an alarm is good old flour. Here is my treasure! The collection's crown jewel is the Skibbity-Dee toilet. First off, let's smash the fish tank. No! 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 Oh yeah! Hey, I made it! I made it! How dare you take over other people's toilets! I don't know what's ticking me off more, the song or you. I want my toilet back. It's a toy gun. Luckily, the scissors are very real. Have mercy on my sweet stash. The toilet is mine. Forget it. I stole it. No, I did. No, the toilet is mine. Fighting over a toilet. Villains, you are so busted. I will stop you. One down! Leave the toilet alone, you flying rat! No, no! Stop! I wanted to put it back! Oh, so sweet! I'm not falling for that! Oops! Coming! Gotta look normal again! The villains are lying over there, officer! Thank you, Amy Rose! Well done! I have a job offer for you! Be the museum's chief security guard! Here's the contract! Me? A museum guard? My dream has come true! Thanks a million, Amy Rose! All thieves belong behind bars! I hate bars! It totally blows! I'm not staying here! Crush test! Hey, acrobat! Go back to the cell! I'm a little hungry. Oh, is that an earthquake? What is it now? I'm hungry. Okay, here's a treat for you. The buffet is kind of weird if you ask me. I'd love to have something too. Okay, I'll try. Raw potatoes?
Oh.
Potatoes! Marvelous! Oh! I'm dying! The fork of freedom!
Yeah!
You are gonna see I'm a master of escape! This is a godsend! Ready!
Oh, yeah!
What? How come? Bye, old man! Stay here, loser! What?
Wow!
What a bat! Get it together, Eggman! We gotta get out of here! Oh yeah! Eggman Almighty! Attention all units! There's an escape in progress! My museum has to look picture perfect! Nobody will sneak past me in Pico Pico! Stop, kitty cat! You gotta be careful around here! Here's the deal! You go in there and start sobbing. You'll get some candy for it. Deal! Amy Rose! Rush to the room next door! Someone messed up Sonic's sculpture! Really? I'll switch on the security system. We're good to go. My distraction works like a charm. Let's see where the laser goes. Yeah!
Oh.
Here is my dear toilet! The genius needs some action!
Oh.
Oh no! I'm not going behind bars ever again! That's more exciting! Fancy meeting you here! Hi, Mr. Mustache! I'll put it all where it belongs! Run, Egghead! Run! I'm a great guard! Who's here? Nobody. That's weird. Hey, we're closed. That's not funny. Show yourself. Hey, Amy. Bro, I am so kicking your butt. Hypnosis is everything! Freeze! Oh, you can't move anyway!
Hey!
What? That annoying bat! That's it! Hypnosis canceled! You again! Don't get mad! I have a surprise for you! Here, enjoy! I love snacks! Look over there! It's not what you think! Hold this, honey! I'll take care of it!